Come, another classic selection.
Oh, well, she loves me now. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now, and I must admit I feel the same. Listen up. Early one Sunday morning, as I took up my paper and decided to read, phone rang with a little voice saying, "You might not remember me, but I had one dance with you. And ever since the night we met, I must tell you true. You danced into my life, never out of my mind. And now between me and my man, it's all over." That's what she said. And I just want us now to get closer. Ooh, she loves me now. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now, and I must admit I feel the same. And I know something special will have to come out. 'Cause the way you held the woman, there was no doubt. We would have to see each other, and it would not be long before we hit it off with a love that's strong, strong, strong. So I know someone out there is hurt, but we got to get it on. It's natural that we were meant for each other. And if you run your life the way you dance, I'd be proud of that night I made my advance. She loves me now. That just means I can't complain. She loves me now, and I must admit I feel the same. Ooh,